Hi everyone, my name is Maddi and I work as a peer advisor within CST's Office of Academic Advising. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use DARS to help you create an academic plan. DARS stands for Degree Audit Reporting System. And basically, it's a place where you can find all of your degree requirements for graduation. It will show you your general education requirements for Gen Ed. It'll show you all of your major requirements, and it will include any free electives that you may have taken. So to get to DARS, you can first just search it into Google. So dars.temple.edu, or you can go through the Student Tools tab. So if you go into TU Portal and click on the Student Tools tab, you can scroll down to Records and then click on DARS from here. So when you get to DARS, you will see a page that looks something like this. In the middle of the page, you will see a box where your degree program is listed. And then to run your DARS, you're going to want to click this big button that says Run Declared Programs. So you can click that, and you'll see it's loading your program here. And then once the audit has finished running, you can click this View Audit button on the left-hand side to view your DARS. So we will click View Audit. And then this is what the main audit will look like. So you'll notice that there is a common color scheme that's present throughout the whole audit, where this green is completed credits, blue is any credits that is currently in progress, and red are unfulfilled credits. So on the right, this chart is going to show you your credit hours that you have either completed, have in progress, or have unfulfilled. And then this categories is going to show you the credits that are attributed to Gen Eds, to your major requirements. If you have a minor, it may show up with your minor courses that you've completed or haven't fulfilled yet here, and then any free elective credits. So just to sum up this chart and the categories, if I was to see that I had 21 unfulfilled credits in order to get me to 123 credits, which is what most CST majors need to graduate, I could then look at my major requirements and see that I have 15 unfulfilled hours of major requirements. So if I only had 21 credits left to graduate, 15 of those would have to be my major courses. So then if we begin scrolling down, we can see that DARS lists each degree requirement, starting with the general education requirements. So remember that your general education courses are a Temple requirement, and all Temple students must take one Gen Ed per category unless you have transfer AP credit that fills the requirement for you. So this green check mark, like we said, means that the requirement has already been completed. If we see this red check mark, that means it's currently unfulfilled. So I haven't yet fulfilled my human behavior course. And you can see that listed below, there may be possible courses that may fulfill this requirement. Just be aware that many options may not be listed here. So it may be more useful for you to directly look at the course catalog for what Gen Eds would be offered during the semester that you're looking to complete this Gen Ed. So next would be the CST and your major requirements. So this section would list all of your required classes for the major. Something I want to point out is that if you have completed the requirement or are currently completing the course, this course is going to be listed here. So for example, for one of my elective courses, I'm taking my general microbiology. And so it's currently in progress, but it shows me right now, even though I haven't finished it yet, what it will come in as, how it's going to be used in my major requirements. So if we keep scrolling, we may see a possible honors or a minor requirement. While I have a minor, it's not listed here. So just be sure to continue to check in with your advisor to make sure that you're on track for completing those honors requirements or that minor requirement, if DARS does not outright list them for you. As for the free electives, there aren't any specific free electives that you have to take. These are for any courses that you've taken that don't fall under a major requirement or a general education requirement. So for example, if you've taken a course of interest, like a random art class for fun, that would count as a free elective and it would be listed under here. So again, this is a great resource to use alongside the bulletin and the flowcharts to get all the information that you need to create your academic plan.